just for camp antics.
With our sentries either side. Oh shit. It doesn't matter, after a certain amount of alcohol, it doesn't matter how noisy it is.
Exactly.
I'll be asleep. I'll just be
Oh shit.
Go to the one that's lower down. Other side.
Try the other side. Side? That'll do.
Say because your gun's crap.
Oh yeah, oh, it's in. It's a bit tight, but it's in. Oh god! Oh, like, that's never happened to me before, I swear. Are you moving your kit to your tent? Because I'm going to work. The only thing this gun rack needs is its own umbrella that pops up. Just goes.
Yeah.
Oh, 2-second job.
I'm having this in a tactical holster.
Don't. Why would each?
Do they do full 360 or
No, Toby, bring this one so there's from screw to screw.
Okay. So you can't quite reach your tent now.
No. That's right, I can move the base.
You just imagine in the morning.
That one you've got there needs to go to this.
The feed into this one, yeah?
No, it needs to feed into
Oh,
the
is it?
Yeah, it's the wrong way around. Oh, did your mag die as well?
Yeah.
How bad is it?
Wind direction's changing.
The case!
Yeah.
Nice.
Waterproof case and I'll leave it open. Why have you put it inside the tent? Why have you kept it inside the tent? I don't care.
The only thing is we get to pay.
If you don't say anything, they won't put that flap over the top like you didn't put the flap over the top of yours.
You haven't got the front end sort of going, there's a puddle on my rifle case. All the rifles were dry.
Waterproof rifle case, so you left the lid open.
There's always one. Give me the spring. Spring.
How can we drop it?
Give me the spring. Dude. Lock that spring.
I don't have it.
That spring is his only child.
You honestly saw me just now?
You picked it up, you
Yeah,
fucking
exactly, that's what I mean.
idiot.
I was there and
And then disappeared. Go on, give me that fucking spring.
I don't have it. Disappeared. I was messing around with it like that.
For fuck's sake.
I was messing around and he's...
Why do you assume I have a spring?
I'll start crying, I swear. Please do.
Did you not see me messing
Johnny
around?
101.
Where has it gone then?
You dropped it. It pinged off somewhere, I don't know.
Right,
Have you got a magnet? Like with it to...
You can scan the area.
I told you you'd break
I'm
it.
not that stupid. Give me the fucking spring.
Genuinely search me.
I don't want to search
straight
you.
down right now. And empty
You do realise you've got the
please,
scope
every
covers
moment.
trapped under the...
Oh, empty
Cavity search.
Why not?
Come on, give me
I
the
don't have
fucking
a-
spring.
I've got one in my other pistol.
Oh dude, seriously? Give me the spring. I need to fix this.
What, this spring? Well, this spring.
Fuck you.
No, this spring. This spring. This spring. This spring.
You guys are
Mate, you should...
Don't do that.
Maybe he's having a... Listening to all of
can we
us.
Like you. He's listening to you, Johnny. You're talking. Shit.
Into the mouth!
Why are you naked?
Straight Facebook, straight Facebook.
I feel so sorry for the guy right next to Sam.
Yeah, that's right.
I
have a free trial at Athletes.
Smile, you're on camera.
Games, and they've already got...
See you later, ladies!